Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, so today we'll be trying out this super potent cinnamon and cloves hair tea recipe that will not only stimulate hair growth, but it will restore dormant hair follicles and strengthen the hair against hair breakage. So stay tuned. All ingredients used are all natural and can be gotten from your local Indian food shop or a health store. So the first ingredients we'll be using today are cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon sticks are jam-packed with vital nutrients that stimulate hair follicles and aid fast hair growth. It helps tackle hair loss and also prevent balding. The second ingredient we'll be using today are fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek contains large amounts of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots or hair follicles. Guys, fenugreek is amazing for strengthening the hair, and we all know that strong hair leads to long hair. The seeds also help aid moisturizing the hair and bringing back that luster and bounce. It also helps fight dandruff and conditions the hair. The third ingredient we'll be using today are cloves. Cloves contain a property called eugenol, which increases blood flow to the scalp and leads to hair growth. We have used cloves in a variety of our hair oils and hair teas, and we have seen immense results in our hair growth journey. Today we'll be using 1 tablespoon of cloves. The fourth ingredient we'll be using today are dried rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves promote nerve growth in the scalp, thereby restoring hair in areas it was lacking. It also stimulates blood circulation to the scalp and promotes hair growth whilst treating a variety of scalp issues from dry scalp to psoriasis. Fifth ingredient we'll be using today is horsetail. Horsetail contains silicone, a rich mineral that improves the quality and strength of the hair. It helps reduce hair loss and boost the strength of the hair and hair follicles. Now that all ingredients are in the jar, you can proceed to pour boiling hot water to brew your herbal hair tea. This hair tea should be left to brew for about 6 to 8 hours before straining. When paired together, these ingredients are potent and contain properties that will boost hair growth, awaken dormant hair follicles on your scalp, strengthen your hair, and reduce hair shedding. After 8 hours, your cinnamon and cloves hair tea should be dark brown in color and it is ready to strain. You can drain the liquid with the help of a strainer or a cheesecloth and then transfer into a spray bottle. Now your super potent cinnamon and cloves hair tea is ready for use. And guys, it smells amazing. Our home literally smells like Christmas. These ingredients are powerful because they are packed with a variety of nutrients and vitamins to transform your hair. This hair growth tea will help stimulate hair growth, It's going to treat baldness, it's going to heal dandruff and itchiness, and it helps reduce hair shedding whilst conditioning the hair. Now, how to use this hair tea. This hair tea can be used as a hair rinse whilst it's poured over the hair on your wash day. It can also be used as a hair spray as we display in this video. All you need to do is evenly part your hair in sections and spray this onto the scalp and the body of your hair. You then proceed to massage it in gently. Do ensure to store it in the fridge and use within 7 to 10 days. So guys, kindly let us know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you and if you'll be trying out this super potent hair tea. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.